Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to give you an update on what's been going on, and there's a couple things I think you can see right here. First off, we got plumbing, and plumbing's almost finished. This is going to be where the sink and the kitchen is, along with the dishwasher. They're going to tee off for both of those and put in the line in for the dishwasher to drain out later. So this is over here, and then over here we have the connection for the ice maker for our fridge, so we can have a nice fridge with ice maker. You can see some tubing still here. We got a lot of tubing that actually has to go back, but we got the stuff set up for the washer in our little laundry room here. You'll notice it's on the right. Yep, it's still on the right. And we're gonna change the door on the dryer so that the dryer will be on the left. But it is what it is. So we got the washer going, and we have both bathrooms. I'm walking back here to the master. So you can see this is where the walk-in shower is gonna be. And here's where the double vanity is for the master bath. All of these lines are running up through the ceiling. You can see the red and the blue piping. They have to finish the piping and set the lines for the tub. They're gonna come back and try to get those done tomorrow. They got to get a new saw that'll allow them to cut the pipe. The other thing is we have some windows in. This is really exciting. So this is the master bedroom. So you can see what the view is like from the master here. With all the trees cut down, you actually get a nice view of the lake. But right now it's kind of obscured because of all of the little brush and stuff that's in the way. Once that brush gets put down, it'll be much easier. So yeah, the windows in the living room have to be done. There's 6 windows. The front window in the living room / dining room area is done. The window in the kitchen is finished. And one of the windows in the spare bedroom is also done. But there's a problem with one window. So, like I said, we have one window in the spare bedroom already finished. This is where the bedroom is. The other smaller bedroom over there, no windows in it, because the window is sitting out here. Let me show you the problem. We have to get them to send us a new one. But if you can see right here, that's the seal around the window. It's come out. So we have to have a new window delivered to replace that one with. These are the windows for the living room, which are the only ones left, and the front door, which will be one of the last things we put in once the siding gets on. Here is the walk-in shower, which again will most likely be set tomorrow. And here is the tub for the spare bathroom. And that should be set tomorrow too if we have the time to get them both set. It just depends on the time and what time we get back from doing stuff around and work in other places. So that gives you an update of where we currently stand on the house. If you have questions, you can put them in the comments. But if you like this video and you want to see more of our house, please make sure you like this video and subscribe. This is Amateur Owner Builder.